Okay, this is a nice view of the result. See straight down where the gondola comes up to the top. That's the main bowl you go into to start with. It's all the lessons go from and what have you. We can ski the other side of that satellite dish. There's lovely runs over there, but that's been closed today. There's the chaps ready to come down. We're heading over that way. Not as much snow this side, but the wind's dropped a tad. Got Granada over there in the background. And we've never seen the views like this. It's normally cloudy, as you can see in the background. The best conditions we've ever skied in here. Lovely skiing. Absolutely fantastic, very cold.